In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up international shipping for your eBay seller account. If you've been thinking about expanding your customer base beyond your home country, offering international shipping can be an excellent way to do just that. Throughout this process, we'll ensure everything is clearly explained so you can follow along without any hiccups. To kick things off, make sure you're logged into your eBay seller account via Chrome. Using this browser ensures a smoother and more reliable experience, which can be crucial when adjusting your account settings. Once you're logged in, head over to the top right corner where you'll find My eBay. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. This section acts as the control panel for all your shipping operations, and it's here that we'll dive into customizing your international shipping preferences. Next, let's navigate to Shipping Preferences. In this area, we have the flexibility to tailor how we want to handle shipping to different parts of the world. Scroll down a bit and you'll see an option called Manage International Shipping. Click on it and it will open up a dedicated section for configuring your international shipping settings. Now, it's time to choose the countries or regions where you'd like to extend your services. Here, you can be as selective as you wish. Perhaps you want to start small, focusing on countries close to home, or maybe you're ready to go big and offer your products to buyers across multiple continents. Be sure to think about factors such as shipping times and demand for your products in those areas. After making your selection, it's essential to decide on the international shipping services and costs. This stage requires a bit of research and strategic thinking. Consider the weight and size of the items you typically sell and how much it would cost to ship them to your chosen destinations. You'll also want to think about whether you'll absorb some of the shipping costs or pass them on to the buyer. Offering multiple shipping options at different price points provides potential buyers with flexibility and may enhance their overall shopping experience. Once you've set up the services and pricing to your liking, it's crucial to save your settings. Look for the Save button on the page, click it, and these changes will become part of your shipping strategy. Keep in mind that it's a great idea to periodically reevaluate these settings as you learn more about your international customers and shipping costs evolve. Lastly, remember to apply these new shipping preferences to your current and future listings. By doing so, you assure potential buyers that they can receive your products no matter where they are in the world. And there you have it, you've successfully set up international shipping on your eBay account. As you grow comfortable with this, you'll likely notice a new wave of customers appreciating the ability to purchase your items no matter where they are. Happy selling!